I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide your online status and appear offline in the Reddit mobile app. Step 1. Tap to open the Reddit mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 2. Tap your Reddit profile icon on this screen to open a menu. Step 3. Tap the online status bar beneath your Reddit profile name until it says Online Status Off. You'll appear offline to other users on the platform even when you quit and reopen the app. And don't worry, you can continue using Reddit and everything will continue working as normal. And whenever you're ready to let people see your online status again, all you need to do is navigate back to your profile menu and tap Online Status Off until your online status shows as on. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.